You can fake confidence. You can rent the car, post the quote, walk with a square jaw and a deep voice. You can say all the right thing, but if your energy doesn't match, she feels it. Women don't read your words. They read your alignment. That's why so many men get confused. But I was good to her. I gave her everything. Yeah, but you gave from a place of wanting to earn her, not from a place of already being centered. And she could feel that. She could feel you needing her more than you respected yourself. Respect isn't something you explain, it's something you embody. And the moment she senses that your boundaries are bendable, the moment your principles fold for attention, affection, or access, the respect breaks. And when it breaks, attraction dies. Even if she stays, she pulls away, emotionally, energetically. She starts watching, not admiring. Alignment means this: who you say you are and who you actually are match. It means if you call yourself disciplined, you get up when the alarm rings. If you say you won't tolerate disrespect, you don't respond to it, let alone entertain it. Alignment is your inner world and outer world syncing, and that's what women respect, even if they don't always like it. Women test men not to break them, but to feel safe inside their strength. She needs to know you won't collapse under her emotions. She needs to know you don't compromise your core to keep her calm. Because if you can't lead yourself, how can she trust you to lead anything else? A lot of men try to memorize lines, techniques, texting tricks, but none of that works. If your energy betrays you, your voice says, I don't need her, but your double texts say otherwise. Your Instagram says you're high value, but your actions scream insecurity. And that's the thing. She doesn't need a perfect man. She needs a real one. When you're truly aligned, you say less, you react less, you attract more. She can flirt, pull away, throw emotional fire, and you'll hold the line, calmly, not to dominate her, but because you've already dominated you. Alignment isn't sexy on social media. It doesn't get claps or likes. But in real life, it's magnetic. And once a woman feels that in you, she knows she can't shake it, because you're no longer the man trying to be respected. You've become the man she can't ignore. This is your edge. This is your leverage. This is the respect blueprint.